Yo, what's up everybody? Look, we back again, keeping the content rolling. If you watch my Instagram stories or you just follow me on social media, period, you know that I've been hitting these restorations hard. Like, I've been trying to figure out everything. I got a light box. If you've been looking at my stories, man, I've been playing around with the light box. I've been going hard. Hey, I needed a light box because one time I left my shoes outside too long and they melted. Here are the shoes. Yeah, they got a little melted right here. I'm kind of pissed because like these was my favorite 12s, but I tried to get the deoxidized. I tried to take the yellow one out outside, and it did not go good. So I just didn't mess with it. But when got me a nice box, and it worked out just fine. And now they fresh. You know, it's a personal pair. I'ma still rock them. I don't care. Talk about me if you can talk about me if you want. Your mama and your daddy. Anyway, this is what we working with today. Alright, so y'all know, I tell y'all over and over again, stop sleeping on Play-Doh's closet, man. They got the heat. I think I found a pair for $40 and then one pair was like $60. But I mean, it was beat. I said, hey, they my size, so look, I need them. Got the pair of the red cements. You know, we brought these back. And then we had a pair of your classic black cement. We brought these back. But look, I ain't gonna hold you long. Look, we gonna get into it right now. So you made it all the way through. You probably skipped some stuff, but I ain't gonna hold it against you. At least you at the end though. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, comment. If you haven't subscribed already, please go subscribe. Tell somebody. I am taking orders for shoes. If you want your shoes to be restored, you need a cleanup, DM me, Facebook, Instagram, however you feel like it. DM me, let me know. I can get you together. I also got another announcement. So all these shoes that you see me doing, I'm getting into the resale business. Me and one of my friends, man, we decided we like, look, everybody else making money. Look, we gonna make some money. So we get into the resale game. You know, we got some new pair. We got some used pair, but they're clean, deep clean, restored back to normal. But look, we hoping to get everything jumping the beginning of next year. We getting a lot of our inventory right now, doing a lot of cleaning just to have everything ready for y'all. But at the same time, like I said, look, you can hit me up. I'll do your shoes in the meantime. And don't forget, I am the custom man. I do customs, so hit me up. I got a little bit of what's we got to come. You know, we got the Jubilee 11s. You know, need some work done. We got the hybrids, man. These is nice. I wish they was in my size, but I mean, they're 9.5. 9.5 for you men. 9.5. You want them? I got them. You gotta clean them first, though. I don't want you to have nobody fungus and get I think my uncle had gout. Can you get gout? Is it transferable? I don't know. And then we got some I forget what these 12s is called, but yeah, we got some 12s. We got a lot of sizes. We trying to get every single sizes all the way down to the little babies. I'm actually going to pick up some some Raging Bull 5s and 3Y. Those are on the way. But yeah, we getting sizes for everybody. Look, I'm telling y'all, come back for me, cause you know it's gonna be fire. Bring me your trash, cause I can make it fire. But look, at the end, let y'all get a sneak peek at my new logo that's coming for our business. Let me know what you think down in the comments. All right, peace.